Hi, Fizz.
Yeah.
Who is this?
It was my little call.
Aha. Say good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Hi, guys. We put on our Sunday best and we're out and about today. It's a brand new day. How are you guys doing? I just said, let me take my camera up and vlog real quick. So we are in Avignon. We are in my husband's city of birth. And we're here for one of his really good friends' wedding. So we are all dressed in our Sunday best and the kids are knocked out, cold, sleeping, napping. But guess what? Look at them, how pretty they are. I can't wait for you guys to see their outfits. But I'd rather they take a nap right now than be miserable after. So we are about to pull up to the church right now. I'll try and catch a little bit of the wedding for you guys. Hopefully I can do that. But anyway, today is a beautiful day here. It's hot out and I'm looking forward to see these two get married. I've been wanting them to get married since forever and it's finally happening, so it should be a good day. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. Love you guys and I'll see you guys straight after this vlog. Tyler, you remember when we visited up at this hill and we see all of this water when we came to Avignon the last time? Do you remember? Oh no, go up. Who we were with? I think we were with Remy. We were at Remy.
Yeah.
You remember?
What should they do when there's a sign, the senior and all?
You don't remember when we go up here, Ty? What else we did up there where you can't remember?
Là, ça c'est le Pont d'Avignon. We've never been on the Pont d'Avignon.
No, we've never been on it. You see it, Ty?
We've been on the other side for the
Yeah,
intro.
we've been over. Yeah, we did our intro for when I was pregnant with Sarah down there. But we've never been on this bridge. We need to come back and do it one day. Look at the amount of tourists bus.
Why are you trying to pass me when you know that I'm already changed?
Look at the amount of tourist bus. Jeez. Avignon is a very touristic city. Look at the Ferris wheel. Stay 5 minutes. Yes, Sarah. You see the way? Oh, this is where the park is, honey. That you tell me is here.
Oh no, I'm talking about the Pont one.
Okay.
Mama!
Yeah.
Look!
What is that?
It's a wheel!
Yeah.
It's good for the park.
Uh-huh. They have activity where they playing volleyball.
Something that is kind of
The sports, they're playing a sports over there. There are stands.
always there.
Okay. Where are we going? What's over there? The cat. All right, go, catch Papa, Papa, God. Tell Papa, wait. No, God, leave her. Say hi, Tasha. You guys, look who is with me.
We're going to the candy shop.
To the candy shop. Na, 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 na.
So baby,
Don't you stop.
Keep going.
Till I hit the spot.
Hey.
Why? You guys, it's a brand new day and we are at the candy store, the Haribo factory, literally. Wow, that's a good photo right there with Mr. Haribo.
What's he doing?
Oh, you're trying to do like him?
Come, let me take a picture.
Yes, and thumbs up with the other one.
Yeah, but he's smiling, Tyler.
Sarah.
Sarah, look.
Wow. Don't move. Sarah, look at Mama.
Smile.
Yes. Show thumbs up, Sarah. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Sarah. Thumbs up.
That's okay.
That's okay, Ty. That's okay. Ça va, t'inquiète pas.
Il est interdit de grimper sur les mascottes.
No, so
See,
on the
just-
little thing is fine, not on the banana.
We are at the Haribo factory. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yes. You want to go take picture beside this one?
Haribo factory.
No? Okay, go.
Let's go. Come on.
Go. Go.
Mama,
Hmm?
look.
Look, see Tata.
It's tiny.
We're at the factory. We're at the factory. We're gonna buy candy. This is every kid's dream.
I have a sweet tooth.
Elise des Haribo. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Sarah.
Un enfant de 7 ans et un autre de 3 ans.
C'est dans le sac. Tu veux? Tu es sûr? Wow, Sarah, look at all these colors. They're in the bag. What a beauty. Come, Sarah. Sarah, let's go. Sarah, just enjoying our candy. Because we got complimentary candy upon arrival. Okay. Tyler, I don't want you to eat too much of that candy either. Give it back to Tata. No, Sarah, finish eat off hers. Okay, eat it, but slowly, because I don't want you to vomit. Ah, this is what the factory looked like. Wow. So this was the beginning of the factory. Nice.
That's English. That's English.
Yes, we say Wrigley's in English. Is them used to make Wrigley's? Is them used to make Wrigley's or they still make Wrigley's?
I don't know if they still do like this.
Okay. Wrigley's is Jamaica's favorite thing to eat.
Licorice wood.
Even though you tell me, I still didn't see. Because I look behind me and I see the wall. So I say, huh? Tyler, what did you just told me about the candy? Tell me again.
They make 100 million candy per day.
That's a whole lot of candies for a lot of sweet tooth kids. Wow. That's the candies. The gummy bear was the first to produce.
Yes.
And I think it's still the favorite. You don't think so?
It's still my favorite.
It's still my favorite.
This one, the crocodile.
Yeah, I love this
I like the
one.
crocodile.
Yeah, this one's still my favorite.
I like the gummy bears.
Yeah, it's here. I don't like the tough ones. Yes, Ty. Look. Come, Tasha, take this photo. Babe, sit down on that one. I'm going to sit on this one.
I'm coming.
Watch my daughter. All right, come, princess. Take Peppa. I didn't know they do marshmallows. Come on, let's go this way. Yes, I know. I know. We go around it.
Here, look.
108 million 700 chaque jour.
7,500,000
7,500,000
per day.
Damn it.
Of marshmallow.
Yes.
100 million.
I'm here. Take a photo with your phone, Tasha.
Again, Sarah, go back.
If there is somewhere to play hide and seek, go back up, Sarah. Go back up.
Just around here we can play. Do it again, Sarah.
J'arrive, bébé. They're in candy heaven.
Cheese.
Wow. This museum is lit. Oui, bébé.
I mean, I get slim.
You get slim. My favorite Haribo of all time, gummy bear. Always a perform. Look at her. She's always putting on a show. Definitely for me picnic. Wait. Don't move. Okay, go now. Okay, I'm getting candy from the machine and it comes down. Wow. Take it out, Ty. Tyler, give your one to Tata. You share your bag with Sarah. Eh? You like it?
Yeah.
Well, Mama not buying no doodoo for you.
Hello?
Buy whatever you want.
They have this in small.
Wow, look at the gummy. Look at Candy. Look at the red one over here. She on the phone.
You banana.
Banana.
Sarah, come here. Look. What's that?
Candy.
It's marshmallow.
Yeah, marshmallow.
You want it? Tyler, you don't say anything you want?
I can't look to see the back.
Yeah, marshmallow heaven. Okay, so we're continuing on our trip from Haribo, still on the south of France in Avignon area, and we're at this place that's have this beautiful bridge that's called Pont de Gard. So there's so many tourists here and the sun is roasting us.
Mama.
We did not prepare for this. Yes, Sarah. Come.
It's hot.
It's very hot, my love. I know. See Sarah telling us it's hot? It's roasting hot. Oh, look! You see how far they are? They're on the other side. So that's where the water is. You see it? Look! But it's shallow.
Not me.
Oh, it's shallow, but it's long.
Yeah.
You see, it gone that way and it gone that way.
Like the river.
Ah, okay. So that's where the water is.
I'm not going in there.
No, sir, we don't have to come back. We can't miss this spot. You better we go Gard de Verdun. You've ever been to Verdun before? Girl, what's wrong with you? Sarah, you have to hold on to Mama. Come up and hold. Come up. Come. Look, Mama gonna pick you up and show you over there. Alright, you guys, I'm using my phone because my camera battery died. But this is the beauty of the view from...
Mama! Wow!
You see it?
Yes. I see.
You want to go up on Mama's head?
Yes.
So you see better?
Yeah. Mama, this is better.
Yes.
But, wow!
Wow, people rowing down the river on canoes.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.